Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a pattern review. I'm going to be reviewing McCall's 7999. I've shared this with you before in a previous pattern haul, and I just finished making up this dress and I absolutely love it, you guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so we can continue to hang out together and you all can catch these fun videos. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the pattern review. All right, y'all, so when I saw this pattern, of course I bought it, but I just loved this dress, especially view B, which is the one that I sewed up. I loved the lines of it. I loved how elegant and sophisticated it was. And of course, this slit on the side was everything to me, right up my alley. So I thought this dress was very dressy on her, but I thought with the right kind of fabric, it could make it dressy or casual. And I think that I found that balance with the fabric that I chose to make this dress with. So a few things about this pattern. The suggested fabrics were two-way stretch knits, such as rib knits, jersey, interlock, and velvet knits. I actually chose a polyester spandex in the color of hot pink, which I absolutely love. It seems like pink is the color this season, but this was the hot pink fabric that I chose. Look at the stretch on that. It's gorgeous. It's a thick knit, so it's warm and very, very comfortable. So that's what I chose to sew up this dress. But of course, any of the suggested fabrics would work as well. As far as notions go, only seam binding. So buy yourself some seam binding. I found my seam binding at Walmart. It was like a black lace type of seam binding and it worked well for me. So maybe Amazon, Joann, of course, but my closest place in a crunch was Walmart, so that's where I went. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely loved making this dress. The instructions were very straightforward, very simple. It didn't take me a whole lot of time to sew up this dress, and for the way that it looks, to me, once you're done with it and you see the results of the dress, it's just such a gorgeous dress that people would never know that you sewed it, first of all. They would not know that it took only, a few hours to make. And I love that. I love when you can take something that doesn't take a lot of time or a lot of money and turn it into something just beautiful. So if you like that too, this is the pattern for you. This pattern is right up your alley. Okay, so let's talk about the pattern itself. So there were, let's see, a total of 4 pattern pieces for view B. Actually, for each layout, there's a total of 4 pattern pieces, which you can't beat. You can't beat 4 pattern pieces. Like, that's amazing. So these, long pieces of pattern that you cut out, and then you cut out your fabric. So it's not like 21 pieces and 4, just 4. So I love that about this pattern. I will show you, the layouts are different. So view B is what I chose. I like to share with you guys the layouts just so that you know what to expect. So here again, you're not just doing fabric right sides together, one fold. You're actually doing 2 different types of layouts, if you will. Okay, so what I actually did with this layout, guys, for view B, dress B, is that I cut out piece 1 on the fold, and then I cut out my sleeves and my neckband, and then I actually folded the top again, and I cut out piece 3 on the fold. That's it as far as the layout goes. There were only 17 steps to this entire pattern. Some of them did not even involve view B, which is what I sewed up. So there were actually fewer steps than 17. And just, just from the beginning, you're, getting to putting this dress together. So I love when it's like a quick sew. This would be a great pattern for beginners, or if you just love this dress, which I did. So that would be great. You're putting your slit on the side. You've got your sleeves, your narrow hemming, your neckband. So it was just a very straightforward pattern. The directions were good. And I just loved every minute of sewing this up. I will be wearing this dress on a date somewhere. And I just love the color again that I chose. But the dress itself, I feel like if you were going to a Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party, this would be a great dress if you want to put some sparkle into it, kind of like how she did here, or how they did here with this nice sparkly fabric. That would be great if you wanted to make it in red for Christmas, or like silver or gold for New Year's Eve. Any of those would just be beautiful options. I have nothing bad to say about this pattern. From start to finish, it was just a great sew for me. Again, you could choose to make a shorter option, which I'll show it to you here, with a turtleneck, or a longer option with a turtleneck. Or you could even switch out the shorter skirt for the longer skirt, or switch out the longer skirt for the shorter skirt with the short neckband instead of the turtleneck. So plenty of options with this dress and with this pattern. If you're thinking of sewing it up, I say go for it, because it's a great pattern and I feel like you'll really, really love the end results. So hopefully you guys will think of making it up. Let me know in the comments down below if you've made this dress already before, or if you're thinking of making it up, and what holiday you might be wearing it for. So yeah, definitely let me know about that, guys. All right, you guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can catch these fun videos. All right, guys. Well, until next time, I will see you later.